yesterday we have seen 7 fundamental units, 7 fundamental quantities or base quantities in SI system of unit, and 2 supplementary units and 2 supplementary fundamental quantities or base quantities. So one of them we have already seen, supplementary units, plane angle. Its unit we have seen, radian. Okay. So second one we are going to see today. First we'll complete the homework. इससे पहले anything was there? No. Now this was the question given to you when we have to convert from radian to the degrees. Simply replace pi by 180 degree because pi radian is 180 degree. तो यहाँ पे रिप्लेस कर दिया उसको, 90 डिग्री आएगा, इसका 30 आएगा here. Okay, this one is left out, है ना. pi by 4 का क्या आएगा, 45 डिग्री है ना. pi by 4 का 180 upon 4, that's 45 degree. And what about this degree converting? Is there any problem? Are you there? Comfortable, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now degree in radian, so we have to multiply by pi by 180, you know, this value. So 30 multiplied by pi by 180 is equal to pi by 6, and for 45 it will be pi by 4, 60 ka pi by 3 aega, 90 ka pi by 2 aega. This is 2 pi by 3 and 180 is pi, equal to pi. No problem here?
No, sir.
Okay. Anybody want to ask anything, just go ahead. Then we'll move on to the next one. Okay then. Note down if you are not completed this. ऊपर भी दिख रहे हैं. So sometimes you may require to do it, or sometimes you may come across in this form. So you should know all this. Pi by 6 is 130 degree. यहाँ पर देखो वापस you can go back. This is say pi by 6. If you want to know 180 by 6, it will be 30 degree. Pi by 4, put pi is 180 degree, you will get 45, and so on. All right.
Yes, sir.
Now, if we further divide the angles in the smaller angles, suppose we have 1 degree angle and a very small 1 degree itself. If you divide it into 60 equal parts, 1 degree angle को 60 equal part में divide कर दो, तो each part is called 1 arc minute angle. Why do we do this? Because in case of astronomical bodies like different planets, sun, other solar systems, other galaxies and all, they make very small angle at Earth. If you observe sun or moon, so angle made by its diameter will be very small, say 1 degree or less than 1 degree, like that. So if it is less than 1 degree, then how can we measure it? Then we measure it in arc minute angles. So if arc minute angle will be how much? If we divide, if 1 degree angle is divided into 60 equal parts, then each part will be 1 arc minute, will be equal to 1 arc minute. सिंबल क्या होता है इसका? ऐसा. ओके, सिंबल के लिए स्पेस नहीं है यहाँ पे, like this. So 1 degree is equal to 60 arc minute. आर्क मिनट का 1 ऐसे 1 प्राइम, तो 1 डिग्री। ये देखो दिस विल बी, ये जो सपोज टोटल इज 1 डिग्री एंगल ये पूरा, तो वन पार्ट विल बी 1 आर्क मिनट। ठीक है, तो 1 डिग्री में कितने आर्क मिनट होंगे? 60, और 60 आर्क मिनट इज इक्वल टू 1 डिग्री, और 1 आर्क मिनट इज 1/60 डिग्री। इसको रेडियन में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करना है तो π/180, रेडियन में आ जाएगा। देयर इज द क्वेश्चन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक, कन्वर्ट 1 आर्क मिनट इन रेडियन, तो विल सी दैट क्वेश्चन इसके बाद है। तो डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करना आ गया। इफ यू कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू डिग्री, you can very well convert into radian by multiplying how much? Tell me. π/180. So degree will go. This will be simplified pi की वैल्यू भी पुट कर सकते हैं 3.14. All right, clear? 1 arc minute. Now again we need the angle smaller than this also for very distant objects in the space, in the galaxies. तो उनके डायमीटर निकालने हैं, तो फर्दर स्मॉल एंगल्स, let us see what is the further small angle is called. That 1 arc second, second of arc ये कट करते हैं, 1 arc second, second of arc भी बोलते हैं। 1 arc second is indicated by double prime, double dash. So if 1 minute angle, 1 arc minute angle is divided into further 60 equal parts, then each part will represent 1 arc second, SEC second. सेकंड को शॉर्ट में SEC लिखा, ठीक है, आर्क सेकंड। तो 1 arc second will be, okay, 1 arc second is कितना होगा? 1/60 आर्क मिनट। फिर 60 से 1 मिनट की वैल्यू पुट कर दो, इंटू 1/60 कर दो, इंटू 1/60, तो डिग्री में आ जाएगा। दिस कम्स टू बी 1/3600 डिग्री। इसको भी रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करना है तो π/180। ठीक है, दैट क्वेश्चन इज दैट। ठीक है, इट इज अंडरस्टूड।
यस सर।
तो वेरी स्मॉल एंगल है ना, वेरी स्मॉल। डिग्री में ही देखिए कितना छोटा है, 1/3600 डिग्री, एंड रेडियन में you can convert it SI unit में। So these are there, we need it for at least for 1 or 2 numericals in this chapter. Then we may not need it further in this chapter. We need it just now. Any difficulty in this? मतलब could you get this point? ये 1 minute को भी 60 equal parts करने हैं, ये छोटे-छोटे part करने हैं। Then each part will be 1 arc second. That much small angle, but they are significant. Let us see. We'll see in sun itself or moon itself, we get the angle in arc second, you know. We'll find out the diameter of moon with this formula, with this relation. Okay, shall we move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Noted?
Yes, sir.
So let's see further. Now solid angle. Solid angle also we should know because it is a part of our textbook. Solid angle समझने के लिए what you imagine the spherical body, hollow or solid sphere. Take the small area there. छोटा सा एरिया ले लो उसके ऊपर कोई भी, like football इमेजिन करो, उसके जो पैचेस होते हैं, take that much area, very small area DA, and see that it's that all the points join to the center will make a conical shape. आइसक्रीम का कोन होता है ना, देखो ऐसा कुछ आएगा। It is similar to the cone of ice cream. तो अंदर जो एंगल बनेगा, that is called solid angle. It is not it is not in the plane. It is 3-dimension. It is in x in the space. In fact, it is not in one plane. So as this angle is called solid angle. Symbol इसमें ऐसे दिया है like unit of ohm. So symbols can change in the different books. Therefore, I am writing full. So solid angle is given by the ratio of. How do we define it? It is the ratio of this particular area, small area, divided by radius का square. This will be the radius r. इसका square करना है radius का. ठीक है. ये this diagram may be more clear to you. Or this is one. This is amplified here. O will be center. So how do we define? So you can just define it. If we take the part of the solid or hollow sphere, small area of solid or hollow sphere on its surface, then ratio of that area divided by r square, radius square, will give us the solid angle. Will give us the solid angle. And dA kya hai? Small area, I have explained you. You can see both the things written here. dA is the small area, r is the radius. So this is the formula. This is the definition and formula of both. If somebody asks you define, so physics में 99% times, whatever the formula is there, that you have to define in your words. That's all. Write the formula, then you define. So nobody is going to read your definition if you write this correctly. And examiner will see, okay, he has written correctly. Same thing you have to write in words. Ratio of the small area on the surface of the sphere divided by radius square. That is the definition of solid angle. Solid angle can be in hollow sphere and solid sphere both. आइसक्रीम का जो कोन है उसकी टिप के अंदर जो टिप है ना उसके अंदर जो एंगल बनता है that is the solid angle. And what is its unit? Unit is here. You can see unit is steradian. Full is steradian. STERADIAN. Short में हम SR लिखते हैं. SR. Only SR, not SRK. All right, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is solid angle. At least one numerical we will do it. Can we solve one numerical of this? This is the textbook diagram.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So here numerical, you can do it here itself. Find the, okay, just a minute. Find the solid angle at the center of the solid sphere or hollow sphere due to its whole surface. पूरी surface का. पूरी surface center पे कितना angle बनेगी? How much angle will be formed at center due to whole or complete surface of the sphere?
360 degrees.
Solid angle.
4 pi
360
steradian.
circle बनेगा. 360 will circle will make the angle 360 degree. But solid sphere, this is the sphere.
Sir, so it will be
4 pi कैसे? Put the value here in this formula. Area कितना होगा फिर? Area will be 4 pi r square. So solid angle will be area. अभी मैं A लिख रहा हूँ. DA means small area. We are taking full area. So therefore we can write it A. All right. So 4 pi r square divided by r square. So 4 pi unit SR steradian.
Sir, but I didn't get it. I mean, how is it 4 pi? Because the angle, if it is a 3-dimensional object, then the angle would be 3-dimensional, right?
Yeah, so therefore it is not the radian. Therefore it is not the degree. Therefore it is something else. It is coming 4 pi. It is not the regular angle. So उसका जो surface जो area of the, this is how we define. It is the angle made by the particular part of the surface or whole surface at center. यहाँ पे ये जो angle होता है अंदर का देखो ये इतना this much surface we are taken. So this is the making angle which will be less than 4 pi in terms of magnitude. unit will be steradian. And if you take bigger surface, है ना, बड़ा surface ले लो ऐसा, तो उसका बड़ा angle आएगा. And you keep on increasing, you take the whole surface, so it will make 4 pi steradian. If you take hemisphere, कितना लो half, तो यहाँ पे कितना एंगल आएगा? हेमिस्फीयर का कितना होगा? 2 pi r square surface area, so it will be 2 pi, है ना? Plane angle is pi, but solid angle is 2 pi. So that's how it is defined. We cannot do much in this, है ना? इसमें कुछ हम ज्यादा कर नहीं सकते. इसमें that we have to go according to definition. We cannot say okay, plane angle is so much, so why it is so like this. So plane angle is between the lines. Solid angle is between the many lines, है ना? ये सब lines है. Between the two plane angle के लिए 2 lines. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी line आएंगी, पूरी कोन बन जाएगी, ये पीछे भी आएंगी. तो all put together making the conical angle, है ना? So that will be less than 4 pi, but whole surface will make 4 pi. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. तो it is whole surface is making the angle, है ना? Full surface, not the arc. Clear or not? Previous case में arc was making angle at center. यहाँ पे particular surface is making angle. So therefore it is solid angle.
Right.
Solid angle can be in hollow sphere also. It is not solid angle, so solid sphere में होगा. It will be in hollow sphere and solid sphere both. And not only this, if you go for the higher studies, you will find if it is not spherical, it is like this irregular shape, but it is closed surface. है ना? Closed surface है. Suppose balloon ले लो, है ना? Balloon is not spherical. है ना? It is not spherical. In that case also, whole surface make the angle 4 pi at any point inside. कोई भी point को tip, अभी उसमें तो circle है नहीं. Center you can take the point at center, or you can take the anywhere. Whole surface is going to make angle 4 pi for any interior point. That can be done with the help of differential calculus and integral calculus. We are not in position to do that derivation. Differential and integral calculus, when you are taught, then you can see for irregular surfaces also you can prove it. 4 pi. Whole surface, closed surface, what we have written? For closed surface of any shape, solid angle will be 4 pi inside at any point inside. ये simplicity के लिए हमने circle लिया, but for higher studies you are going to see any closed surface like balloon or any polythene you can take, है ना? Polythene का shape कुछ ऐसे irregular ले लो, है ना? उसके अंदर किसी point पर, है ना? Polythene bag I am talking about, close कर दो उसको, it can be irregular shape, है ना?
Yes, sir.
So this much only, we need this much only. In JEE Advanced, I will tell you one more formula for solid angle, not here. For your CBSE and all, this much is enough here. This now this topic we have already done. For those who have joined late, उनके लिए फिर से मैं repeat कर रहा हूँ. Suppose we have seen Numerics में values are given in kilo, for example, kilometer, or some say mega ohms resistance, some gigahertz frequency, है ना? Frequency gigahertz में दी होती resistance, kilo, mega ohm, and so on. Distance also in kilometers or in centimeters also. So meter is SI unit, kilo is not SI unit. So these kilos, megas, gigas, they are called prefixes. If things are if quantities are very large or very small, then we have to put the prefix in front of them. जैसे if I tell you 10 mega ohm, resistance of any resistor is 10 mega ohm. So mega will be how much? So we have to learn this table. जितने मैंने yellow किए हैं ना, yellow वाले, that much you have to learn from here itself. देखो, यहाँ से देखो. Let me explain you the table first. What is the topic? Prefixes for SI units. Here is the prefixes for SI unit. Value, prefix, उसका नाम है name और prefix and symbol. ठीक है. तो this is not required. ये छोड़ सकते हैं. Starting from 1, 10 to the power 12. किसकी वैल्यू होगी? It is symbol is T. It is tera. Tera means 10 to the power 12. Okay, मेगा देखते पहले ये इसको देख लेते हैं. मेगा is here m. M symbol is for mega. How much is the value? 10 to the power 6. So when we solve the numerical, we have to make it as a unit first. 10 to the power 6. Then suppose ohms law का कोई numerical है, करंट निकालना है, तो I is equal to V by R. तो R की वैल्यू पहले SI यूनिट में, पहले इसके जो प्रीफिक्सेस है उनकी वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे, नहीं तो करंट विल बी रॉन्ग. Why we do this? सिंबल क्यों यूज करते थे? पहले प्रिंटिंग एरर्स, प्रिंटिंग प्रॉब्लम्स होती थी, तो सिंबल्स लिख देते थे और उसका फिर नेम, उसकी वैल्यू. तो एवरी टाइम व्हेन यू प्रिंट इट, so this will be very difficult to print in 10 to the power 6 or 10 to the power minus 6 or 10 to the power 12 like this. So this was devised, this was developed, and then we are continuing still. Easy to read, it is easy to write. है ना? Okay. For example, gigahertz देखते हैं, frequency of any device is 200 gigahertz. तो गीगा क्या है? G और किसकी वैल्यू है? 10 to the power 9. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? 200 into 10 to the power 9 hertz. तो दिस विल बी 2 into 10 power 11 हो जाएगा. ये 2, ये भी इसमें ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं ना, ऐसा यूनिट में बन गया. तो वी हैव एटलीस्ट 10 प्रीफिक्सेस वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज्ड इन फिजिक्स. यहाँ तक ये ज्यादा नहीं लिखना. 13 is 10 power 12, giga is 10 to the power 9. giga means billion also, billion में भी 10 power 9 आते. मेगा means million also. मिलियन में 10 power 6 आते हैं कि नहीं आते? You do know. किलो means 10 to the power 3. And ये छोड़ सकते हैं. This is not required in physics. सेंटी 10 to the power minus 2. सेंटीमीटर वगैरह लिखते हैं ना हम लोग. मिलीमीटर भी लिखते हैं, मिली सेकेंड लिखते हैं. मिली मीन्स 10 to the power minus 3. माइक्रो सिंबल म्यू है, जो ऐसा म्यू. रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स का भी सिंबल म्यू लिखते हैं हम लोग ऐसा समटाइम्स. माइक्रो मीन्स 10 to the power minus 6. नैनो symbol is n, value is 10 to the power minus 9. Pico. Nano also we use it in case of what is called radius, atomic diameter and all, or sometimes nanoseconds also. No? And pico 10 to the power minus 12. कैपेसिटेंस की वैल्यू हम पिको में लिखते हैं, 12th में पढ़ेंगे. पिको, पिकोफैरड and so on. Microfarad, picofarad, like that we write in capacitance in electricity. So this you have to remember. Right? Physics में nobody will give you the values, you have to just by heart. ये छोड़ देना, इसको नहीं लर्न करना, इसको भी नहीं. Only 10. ये देखो टे, ये थोड़ा सा टी क्या 13 हिंदी में 13 होता है, बट ये 13 नहीं है, यहाँ पे 12 है ना, 12. Don't get confused. 13 means 10 to the power 13, 10 to the power 13. No, it is 12. 100 billion, 1000 billion. Billion में 10.9 होता है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this you have to remember in any of the chapters will be required up to the last, up to the 12th. So we can just take few more examples for these prefixes. Done. इसमें कोई डाउट है तो यू कैन आस्क, जस्ट क्विकली यू कैन आस्क योर डाउट. है ना, इस तरह से न्यूमेरिकल्स में वैल्यूज दी होंगी, तो यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द सिंबल एंड यू हैव टू पुट द वैल्यू. So we'll have some more practice, then we'll move on to the smaller and bigger distances. ओके, तो जैसे ये some more example we are taking. Convert following into SI unit. For example, 20 millimeter है ना, 20 millimeter. So first time is for milli. Milli, you can see the table where it is. 10 to the power minus 3. Second time is for meter. तो ये आएगा 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. ये जीरो एडजस्ट कर दिया हमने, 10 to the power plus 1 है. 5 kilometer. Kilo stands for 10 to the power how much?
3.
कितना किलो में 3, तो ये हो जाएगा 5 into 10 to the power 3 meter. Then this you have to do it, बाकी खुद करना है. 10 kg, 10 kilo, 10 FM. F stand for Fermi. Fermi was, did we discuss Fermi? Okay, यहाँ पे था, sorry. Okay, hold on. Just did I not show you full? यहाँ तक नहीं दिखाया था क्या मैं? Okay, you can see this. Or just example you can see. Leave it. Just let me rub it off. ये समझ में आ गया था तुम लोगों को? इसको let me show you again. Now you can see full screen. देखो, alright. तो देखो यहाँ पे ये भी छूट गया था. I think I did not show you this. Femto. Sorry. Femto is, F stand for femto, just 10 to the power minus 15. ठीक है? This was missed. यहाँ पर देखते हैं. Okay, done. See, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. देखो यहाँ पे FM, femtometer है ना? F you can see from here. And ये micro already we have done discussed. So remaining you do it and complete the homework. यहाँ से लेकर 2 महीने करा दिए. This. All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, if it is squared one or cube, then you face real problem. अगर square है या cube है, तो उसमें थोड़ा फंस जाते हैं. For example, ये let me explain you this first one. Area A is equal to 5 kilometer square. तो इसमें क्या करना है? You have to be very careful. किलोमीटर का whole square है वो. It is not, kilo is not separate. Kilo is with the meter, whole square. ऐसे लिख लिया हमने, है ना? तो फिर क्या करेंगे इसको? देखो, किलो मीन्स 10 to the power 3 मीटर स्क्वायर. अभी कितना आएगा बोलो इसको? 10 to the power 9 है, 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 9 होगा स्क्वायर करने से कि 6 होगा बोलो? इसका स्क्वायर किया तो कितना आएगा? 10 to the power 3 का स्क्वायर किया, will it be 10 to the power 9 or 10 to the power 6?
6.
How? Okay, ऐसे लिखेंगे इसको. 10 power 3 into 10. Powers are added up. 3 plus 3, 10 power 6. I have seen some of the student इसका स्क्वायर कर दिया, 3 का भी स्क्वायर कर दिया, ना क्यूब हो गया, वो 9 हो गया. तो that is wrong, है ना? We have to write 10 power 3 twice, है ना? तो it will be added up. 10 power 6 हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पर क्या आ गया फिर? What we are getting is 10 to the power 6 meter square. ऑलराइट. तो ऐसे ये भी करना है होमवर्क में. दिस वन both you have to do it. One is area 10 centimeter square. Other is what? ये तो मीटर क्यूब ही दिख रहा है. इसको तो कुछ नहीं करना पड़ेगा. मिलीमीटर क्यूब करो इसको. मिलीमीटर क्यूब, mm क्यूब. These two you have to convert it for your practice so that you should not face problem in the further numericals. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, note down. इसमें कोई डाउट हो तो पूछ लो. Anybody has doubt here? यहाँ पे होल होता है ये कंप्लीट, जैसे ये है ना, सेंटीमीटर का होल स्क्वायर होगा, मिलीमीटर का होल स्क्वायर होगा, होल क्यूब, सॉरी. This is volume is in cube, area is in square. Okay, we'll see further. Now some practical units of the distances. In our textbook, they have given this smaller units of the distances, Fermi, micron, angstrom. So they can ask you for 1 mark or short question to some practical units of distances. First we are going to see the smaller one. Fermi is nothing but a femtometer. Fermi क्या होता है? It is femtometer. Femtometer. मतलब मीटर के साथ फेमटो लगा हुआ ऑलरेडी. फर्मी, if we use the femto f with the meter, this is femtometer. इसी को फर्मी बोला जाता है. F can be used for other units also. Can be used for time also. Can be used for resistance also. Can be used for current. किसी भी unit के साथ use कर सकते हैं. But when we use the femto with the meter, it is called Fermi. How much its value will be? 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Do you know how much is this much small is? Which one? Which object is so small? Whose radius and diameter will be?
Nucleus.
Okay. Radius and nucleus are measured in Fermi. Very correct. Nuclei जो होते हैं Fermi में होते हैं उनकी radius. Micron is micrometer. इसका mu m हो जाएगा. Fermi का FM हो जाएगा. Fermi को हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं FM. Fermi can be written FM. FM radio नहीं है ये. Don't confuse with the FM radios and all. FM radio क्या होते हैं? What that FM stands for? FM is frequency modulator. Frequency modulation. FM radio जो होते हैं ना, उनका meaning होता है frequency modulation. This is femtometer. Micrometer is micron. 10 to the power minus 6 meter हो जाएगा ये. Micro is 10 to the power minus 6. Micron में ये thickness of the paper, notebook की जो thickness है या any cloth thickness is measured in micrometer, micron. Xerox paper जो आते हैं they are 70 micron, 70 micrometer thickness. ठीक है. Angstrom. This one is angstrom means 10 to the power minus 10 meter. इसका symbol क्या लिखेंगे? A naught. Symbol will be A naught. Okay. 1 A naught is 10 to the power minus 10 meters. And suppose if I say atomic size is 10 A naught. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? एटम का साइज कितना है? 10 to the power minus 10 मीटर. ऐसा. A naught means angstrom. This is the 10 to the this is the small unit of distance. ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. It is the smaller unit of distance, and 1 A naught is 10 to the power minus 10 meter, and atomic sizes are in this order: size of the hydrogen atom will be few angstrom, like that. Size means radius. Size generally we describe by radius or sometimes diameter or लिख सकते हैं. Diameter of hydrogen atom is in few angstrom. ठीक है? So angstrom is what? Smaller unit of distance. Fermi is also the smaller unit of distance. Micron is also a smaller unit of distance. Clear? So these three you have to remember. They are in your textbook, therefore you are supposed to remember them. You may require it in sometime distances. Micron में दे दिया आपको, तो you should know what is micron. And similar, three big are also there. Three big distances, particular units of distances are also there. Out of this one, first one is astronomical unit. Do you have any idea about the astronomical unit? What is this? AU क्या होता है AU? Any idea about this?
Average
No idea?
distance between sun and earth.
Yeah, it is the average distance between sun and earth. देखो यहाँ पर बीच में sun है, इधर earth है, तो उनके बीच का distance 1 AU होगा, 1 AU. Because it is non-circular, थोड़ा सा elliptical है, इसलिए average distance लिखते हैं. It is the average distance. Between sun and earth. So 1 AU is how much? 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Roughly 1.5 कर सकते हैं इसको, है ना? For numerical point of view, we will take it 1.5, but accurate average distance is this much, 1.496. किलोमीटर में है तो 1000 से डिवाइड कर देंगे किलोमीटर में. अगर don't get confused with this. AU is different, A0 is different. Some books get confused with this and this. दोनों जमीन आसमान का अंतर है उसमें, ये 10 to the power -10 है, very very small. This is 10 to the power 11 है, very very big. जमीन आसमान का भी नहीं है, आसमान से भी बहुत दूर है ना. Sun is far away. Na? Even sunlight takes how much time? 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach from sun to earth. Got it? इसके
Yes, sir.
बाद देखते हैं, इसके बाद क्या है? Light year. This you have the rough idea. Light year is what? Light year
The
is
distance covered by light in 1 year,
okay.
approximately
In which
360
medium?
days.
In which medium?
Vacuum.
In vacuum. है ना? It is the distance covered by light in time duration of 1 year in vacuum, because vacuum it is fastest. Other medium it may cover less distance, so it will be less than this. This is the in vacuum is the accurate one. So can you see distance covered by light in vacuum in 1 year with this, with the speed how much? 3 into 10 power 8. You can yourself find out x is equal to v into t. V will be 3 into 10 power 8. Time 1 year ko 1 year is 365.25 days. उसको मिनट सेकंड्स में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो वेरी लेंथी कैलकुलेशन. रिटर्न डायरेक्टली इट इज रफली ओके, इट इज 9.46 into 10 to the power 15. This you have to remember for the short questions and the short. Generally we have tendency to forget. So close to 10 है, but 10 से थोड़ा सा कम है, 0.4 है ना, so we cannot round off to the 10. अच्छा, you can observe this. ये जो नंबर है ना, इधर 9 वाला इधर है, 4 भी है इसमें, 6 भी है. So these three numbers are there in this light year. Clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, I had a question about light.
Yes.
Einstein proposed when he proposed the theory of relativity, he also said that the speed of light can be variable, right? I mean,
different mediums.
no,
he
not
did say it
different.
is just yes.
Actually, he kind of said that speed of light can be different in the same medium by changing directions. and it was a very confusing theory, and he wanted to prove it very much, because he actually even did prove it, that even if we can measure the measure a meter using the speed of light, he did prove that the speed of light can vary from directions. Since velocity is a vector quantity, he said that it can vary in directions. And there are many theories. I mean, Einstein's was the perfect, but is
Yes,
it
he has
true?
given theory of relativity. No, that I cannot throw light on that because I do have to go through all these, because the theory of relativity and all this is not in our course, and I cannot say much in that. But speed, it is not bending as far as medium is concerned. In particular, medium, you know, space and time and gravitation, they uh, joined and all. We have to go through that deeply. Then only I can say something, but not in this position. I cannot say anything about its theory of relativity or special theory of relativity also. है ना?
Okay.
They are
Because
both the
the
theories of the.
actually the biggest point that he mentioned was that no one has measured the one-way speed of light, right? Everybody has measured the two-way speed of light, because they can't actually keep two clocks at two distances with nanoseconds of synchronization at
Yes.
within a given distance to measure the one-way speed of light. So
Yes.
till today, right? So
हाँ,
he
he was very genius. देखो उसने क्या gravitation का 100 years before 100 years before he predicted the gravitation waves, and now few years back they were detected by putting the detectors at many locations, and more than 3,000 scientists were involved in detecting that gravitation wave. Such a genius he was, na? Have you seen that? Have you uh, gone through that, how the gravitation waves were detected? You can see that it's very interesting. Whatever you are telling us, that location, different location. Similarly, they have put the locators at different location, 300, 3,000 kilometer apart, and then only they can be detected. So similar to that, it was detected few years back. It was a recent phenomenon, you know. So you can just go through all this. They're very, very, very genius. You know? 100 years before he predicted, and now they were detected. Okay, chalo, we can just, if you have the time, you can go through all that. You know?
yes, sir, sure.
They're very interesting. Yes. Light year is distance covered by light in 1 year. This much is the value. Sometimes they ask you the question: is the light year unit of time or unit of distance? Light year is unit of time or unit of distance? बोलो. टाइम का
Distance.
यूनिट है कि डिस्टेंस का? अभी हमने पढ़ा डिस्टेंस का यूनिट है ना. It looks that light year है ना. By this term you get confused. It is coming year. Year means what is called time. No, it is not the unit of time. It is the unit of distance. Shall I write the answer? Distance. Just now we have seen, but then also we get confused sometimes. We tend to write time because by seeing the year. No, it is distance covered by light. मैंने यहाँ पे define किया in 1 year duration. Light year short में हम LY लिख रहे हैं इसको. Got it? So
Yes, sir.
this is the short question sometime asked in the examination. And third one is the parsec. Parsec क्या होता है इसका? Parsec is parallactic second. Short में parsec लिखते हैं. You can learn it parsec. Parsec क्या है? Suppose if we take the arc of 1 AU and see that at what distance line joining the both ends of the arc of 1 AU makes angle of 1 arc second. Let us read it. It is the distance at which arc of 1 AU makes the angle of 1 arc second. So that distance, ये वाली जो distance होगी, suppose you are here, यहाँ पे distance कम आएगी. You have to go back further more. You have to go back further more. जब angle, I am talking about angle. यहाँ पे angle will be more. You go back further behind, more angle. You go to such a distance, there this angle becomes 1 arc second. कितना था 1 1/3600 डिग्री. इसको रेडियन में भी कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा 1/π/180 रेडियन. ठीक है. देन ओनली यू कैन यूज द एंगल आर्क अपॉन रेडियस. यहाँ पे एंगल क्या, कौन सा फार्मूला से निकलेगा ये? थीटा इज इक्वल टू आर्क अपॉन रेडियस। ये जो रेडियस होगा आर, दैट विल बी 1 पार्सेक। आर्क कितना लेंगे, 1 AU। 1 AU कितना होता है, अभी हमने पढ़ा था रफली 1.5 इंटू 10^11। थीटा को रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, 1 आर्क सेकंड को रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे। देन व्हेन यू सॉल्व इट प्रॉपर्ली, very large calculation will be there, then this much answer will come. 1 parsec is 3.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter, highest, biggest of all three, सबसे बड़ा यही है। Clear? Could you get the definition? Values put करके कर सकते बाद में, but at least you should understand, you should be able to define. It is a distance, ये वाला distance, or this one, where arc of length 1 AU makes angle of 1 second, two ends of the arc. ठीक है, could you understand by this definition?
Yes, sir.
तो सॉल्विंग के लिए भी मैंने बता दिया अभी, 1 आर्क सेकंड का हम रेडियन में देखते कितना आ रहा है, देन यू कैन जस्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई एंड डू इट। 1 AU की वैल्यू भी एक्यूरेट पुट करना, कितनी थी, 1.496 थी ना, इंटू 10^11 ऊपर पड़ा, एक्यूरेट पुट करना। 1 आर्क सेकंड की वैल्यू मैं दे रहा हूँ नीचे, you can cross multiply and do it and check it whether we get this or not. This is the biggest, है ना, biggest of all three, बाकी उससे कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं। There can be some other bigger unit that is not in our textbook. We are not discussing that. तीनों में से अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा, लाइट ईयर, AU एंड दिस। ठीक है, तो you can see this, ये क्वेश्चन कभी कभी sometimes they ask you how much, can you see how many light years are present in 1 parsec? डिवाइड करके निकाल सकते हैं, होमवर्क प्रॉब्लम है। You have all the values in front of you. Have you noted this one? Shall I show you previous one also? Make it first, do it and then I'll show you previous one. तो डिवाइड करके निकाल सकते हो तुम कितने, how many light year will be there in 1 parsec. Okay, this one you can see previous one also. Okay, then just we'll see what is ahead of this. No problem so far, जल्दी से बताइए. Just tell me.
No problem.
No problem. So these three you have to remember, and smaller one also ये भी remember रखना, ये भी, because they are the part of your textbook. Anytime they can be asked. Or in numericals also we may need it. These sometimes the questions they are asked from your from your guides also. Textbook में some points may be written here and there. What should be the characteristics of good units? And good units का जो है, it should be well defined, and उसकी definition, जैसे 1 मीटर की definition कल देखी थी हम लोगों ने, it is based on the speed, it is the distance covered by light, so very well defined. It should be very well defined. All countries should be able to get that definition. Internationally accepted होना चाहिए. All countries should accept that definition. Then should not change with the time and temperature and etc. other parameters. जैसे 1 मीटर को पहले उन्होंने एक सैंपल ले लिया था, टेम्परेचर बढ़ने से वो एक्सपेंड हो गया था, तो दे चेंज द डेफिनेशन. They should not change with the time and temperature and other external parameters. They should not be perishable, है ना. जो 1 kg का उन्होंने बनाया, प्लेटिनम इरिडियम का है, उसमें कोरोजन वगैरह नहीं हो सकता. ये नहीं कि थोड़े टाइम के बाद उसमें से कुछ मास पेरिश हो गया, डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया, कोरोजन हो गया. तो दे शुड नॉट बी, व्हाटएवर प्रोटोटाइप आर देयर, दे शुड नॉट बी पेरिशेबल. कन्वीनियंट साइज होना चाहिए. They should not be very big or very small. Sizes should be convenient to deal with them and easily reproducible. है ना, 1 मीटर की जो रॉड है, नहीं रॉड तो चेंज ही कर दी, 1 kg का जो वेट है, इजी इजी शेप, ऑलराइट, ठीक है। तो दिस समटाइम्स इट इज गिवन इन योर गाइड्स एंड सम ऑफ द स्कूल दे आस्क राइट 4 properties and all, so you can take the snapshot of this and remember keywords, remember रख लो, you can just explain them, है ना।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, ऐसे ही व्हाट आर द एडवांटेज, अभी नाउ एसआई यूनिट है, व्हाई एसआई यूनिट वाज इंट्रोड्यूस, वी हैव द फॉलोइंग एडवांटेजेस फॉर एसआई यूनिट, देखो क्या क्या एडवांटेज है। कोहेरेंट है ये, कोहेरेंट मींस all derived units can be obtained by simply dividing, for example average speed, distance upon time, तो सिंपली डिवाइड कर दो, कुछ न्यूमेरिकल फैक्टर इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं करना है। इन केस ऑफ एफपीएस एंड ऑल दैट प्रॉब्लम कम्स, बट हियर ऐसे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, डिवाइड कर दो, है ना, फोर्स एक्सेलरेशन इज इक्वल टू फोर्स अपॉन मास लाइक दिस, है ना। तो कोहेरेंट, दिस कीवर्ड इज कोहेरेंट, सिंपली डिवाइडिंग or multiplying also, so no other numerical factors to be introduced. Rational है, rational मतलब क्या होता है, all similar physical quantities will have same unit, for example all type of energies will have joule, पहले क्या था, हीट का यूनिट क्या था, कैलोरी था एमकेएस में, देन वर्क काइनेटिक एनर्जी एंड पोटेंशियल एनर्जी का जूल था, हीट एनर्जी का क्या था, पावर, वाट, वाट अभी भी चलता है, नहीं वाट नहीं, सॉरी वाट नहीं था, क्या था उसका, हीट एनर्जी का किलोवाट आवर समथिंग लिखते थे, है ना। तो सब कुछ चेंज करके जूल्स कर दिया गया, वेदर हीट और इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी और मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, ऑल जूल इन एमकेएस सिस्टम जो उससे पहले वाला था, दे हैड द डिफरेंट यूनिट्स फॉर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एनर्जीज, तो ऑल आर हैविंग जूल्स नाउ, रैशनलाइज, है ना, थोड़ा सा रैशनलाइज कर दिया उसको। मेट्रिक मीन्स अभी हमने देखा था प्रीफिक्सेस, मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 10 और इट्स पावर, जैसे किलोमीटर 10⁻³ माइक्रोमीटर 10 की पावर, मेट्रिक है ये। अभी जो प्रीफिक्सेस थे ना, उसमें इजीली वी कैन डील इट, जैसे एफपीएस वगैरह है, फुट पाउंड में, फुट में क्या इंचेस चलते हैं, 12 इंचेस विल मेक 1 फीट, है ना, एंड 30 सेंटीमीटर 1 फीट लाइक दिस। तो ऐसा नहीं है अभी इसमें जो ऐसा यूनिट में, तो मेट्रिक में किलो ये सब प्रीफिक्सेस वगैरह लगा के मेट्रिक सिस्टम। एब्सोल्यूट मींस व्हाट, एब्सोल्यूट में क्या करते हैं, अच्छा यू आर द क्लास अदर क्लासेस जस्ट आई विल वाइंड अप, एब्सोल्यूट में जस्ट आई विल गिव यू वन एग्जांपल एंड वाइंड अप। एब्सोल्यूट में क्या रहता है कि राइट फ्रॉम द जीरो लेवल, कुछ उसमें ऐड नहीं करना है या कुछ मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है, कुछ उसमें डिवाइड नहीं करना है, जो है वही है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल एमकेएस में फोर्स का यूनिट क्या लिखते थे, केजीएफ, फिर उसमें 9.8 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ता था उसको, फोर्स को न्यूटन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए समथिंग। तो अभी इसमें उन्होंने केजीएफ हटा दिया, सीधा न्यूटन ही लिख दिया। देखो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव गिवन यू द एग्जांपल, जस्ट कैन यू सी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स इज न्यूटन, we don't have to multiply by g as in case of MKS। MKS में फोर्स में kgf लिखते थे फोर्स की यूनिट, है ना, तो उसको चेंज कर दिया, न्यूटन कर दिया, न्यूटन में g इज ऑलरेडी मल्टीप्लाइड एंड रिटन वेट में, ठीक है। जैसे अभी भी वेइंग मशीन अपना जो वेट दिखाती है ना, kgf में दिखाती है ना, 60 kgf, जैसे जब मशीन हम वे करते हैं वो MKS में दिखाती वेइंग मशीन, kgf and kg weight, बट आवर वेट इज इन न्यूटन, ऐसा यूनिट पे न्यूटन, उसमें 9.8 से मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखना पड़ता है, इफ यू सॉल्व द नंबर, न्यूटन में ही इंडिकेट करते हैं हम लोग फोर्स को, वेट को, दैट्स ऑल।
Yes, sir.
ओके, so this much you can take the snapshot if you are not able to write, and we'll continue Monday for further. Any difficulties there you can ask quickly.
Sir, can you show the previous question?
Previous question, just this is done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, previous में एडवांटेज ऑफ गुड यूनिट्स है ना, यूनिट्स के बारे में।
Okay, sir. Thank you.
इवन एसआई यूनिट में भी जो यूनिट है उनको चेंज किया गया धीरे धीरे, उनको दे मेड इट गुड। मैंने पहले कुछ ड्रॉबैक है तो उसको और फर्दर मॉडिफाई करके अभी नाउ दे आर चेंजिंग आल्सो। जो अभी यूनिट्स है ना, यूनिट की डेफिनेशन they are going to change. There was the proposal to change. Some drawbacks were there, so they are changing it for making it further good. Okay, chalo.
Okay, sir. Thank
Sir,
you.
is there? Okay, Mohit sir, are you there?
Yes, sir.
शिफ्ट करना है सर mohit sir आपको?
नहीं सर, स्टूडेंट्स आपको
हाँ,
बायो
सर।
लिंक सर भेजेंगे व्हाट्सएप
नहीं, सर।
ग्रुप पे, तो आप वो ज्वाइन कर लेना सर। आप एंड कर सकते हो क्लास।
Okay, sir. Thank you.